Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. Now, if you've checked out some of our other neat idea videos, there's a bunch of them, like on this playlist right here, there's one called Spooky Maze Game. And this makes it so that your player moves around and you can only see what's right in front of you while you're playing this, because it's spooky and it's really dark. Now, I want to show you another neat idea that is similar to this one. The project that I want to share with you is called Rainy Night and is by Origami Crane. All right, so instead of having a maze game, we actually have a platformer. So you can't really see what's right in front of you until you move close to it. So I just got to the next level. Oh, see, I didn't see that there's a little wall right here that I have to jump over until I got closer to it. Now, one of the other really neat ideas about this particular level is, like, let's say I'm like really not good at this and I just keep dying on this, is there's actually a skip button. So if you're stuck on one and you're getting frustrated, you can just skip and go to the next level. And then it gets a little bit harder while you're doing this, okay? So this is a really neat idea of making it so that you can only see what's right around your sprites. You can't see really far ahead, but then also having these lanterns to kind of guide you through it. And then finally, the skip button to make it so you can get out of a hard level that you might be stuck on. So these are some really neat ideas. If you've got some neat ideas that you'd like to share, make sure you comment a link below so that way we can take a look at your Scratch projects. And maybe I'll take a look at it for a future neat idea video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.